Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about switch statements in solidjs. So it is also called as branching statements. It is also one type of control statements where if, simple if, else if, and if else, for loops, all this comes under the control statements, and this is one of them. That is nothing but switching statements. So for example, you have a case where you have different types of products and you have a selected product. If the selected product matches, that product should be visible to us. So for example, I have a case where I am creating one signal for us. So let me close this and close this. So now I can create it by using a snippet SSIG, and this will create a snippet. Let me import this create signal, and then let me create a default one called as milk product. So let me use a milk product over here, and what I am trying to do here is I am using a product, or just use something called as selected product, and now this is set product, something like this. And now what is my case? So my case is I have some set of products. Let me create that products by using a switch statements. So I am using a switch, and inside this switch what I want to do is I want to show some set of product value or product name based on the selected product. For example, I have something called as match. So this match is coming from solidjs. It is one of the solidjs element or a component, and this match will help us with a property called as when this should be shown for us. For example, in this case I want to show when my selected product is equivalent to milk. I want to show this case with a paragraph called as milk. So this is my first case, and the second case is matching with another element. So for example, I have when and selected product is chocolate, then I want to display this chocolate over here, and these are the two cases which I have. For example, if he didn't selected anything, for example he selected something like biscuits where that is not available in my list, then there is a property called as fallback, and this fallback will receive a HTML element or any of the solid component. Now I am just using something called as a paragraph, where my paragraph will be something like selected product not available, something like this. And now this selected product, how we can change it? I am just creating a select tag over here, and this select tag will receive an option one, which is nothing but empty, for example, and the value is empty over here. Now I'm creating one more option that is nothing but milk, and one more option that is nothing but chocolate. So I have a drop down. When I change this drop down, when a match suits for this, then that particular match should be executed. If the match does not found, then it has to render this fallback, that is nothing but selected product not available. That should be shown in our UI. For now I'll just use empty over here, and this select will have a value, and that value should be equivalent to our selected product value. And when there is a change on this selection, that is on change, then I want to get a select with an event, and this event I can use for setting up my product. Set up product of event dot target dot value, so that I'll be getting the value whenever there is a change in the option, then immediately I'll be getting that value. I'll be setting to this. The setted value will set into the selected product, and then immediately this node starts executed. So whenever there is a match found, then that match will be executed. If no match found, it will go into the callback function. Let me go into the browser. Here you have empty. Let me go here. I'm not able to see because all the options are empty over here. Let me use milk, and let me use biscuits, and let me use something like no product. Save this, go here. Now selected no product available. So let me go into milk, then you can see milk, and when I go to biscuits, it is showing chocolates. Why? Because I'm using biscuits over here, the label is wrong. Let me replace with chocolate. Let me go here, and no product selected, so selected product not available. So let me go into milk, then chocolate, then chocolate. So whatever you are selecting in this drop down, it is checking this match. If the match found, it is showing that, otherwise it is showing selected product not available. It's very simple to use switch cases. Even you can use simple if here, but in general, these matches or the products may not be only two. You may be extending these values a more and more. Whenever you are extending these matches, then it will be increasing in this way. So it is always recommended to use switch cases whenever you have lot of cases, and this can be simplified in a different way, and you can use a components over here if you want. In many ways we can do this, and to simplify this switch cases we will discuss some other concept of solidjs which will give you more understanding about dynamic component generation. So there you will understand more and more about this switch cases. This is a basic of switch. Hope you understand about these branching statements or the switch statements in solidjs. In the upcoming video we will discuss about dynamic statements. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.